beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Junamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make chicken nuggets. This is very easy to make. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing snack a try. Let's get started. I'll start by using 400 grams of chicken breast, and then I'll divide it into smaller pieces. The reason why I'm doing it this way is to help your food processor to grind it more faster. So this is what you're looking for. I kept that aside. The next ingredient that you'll be needing is bread, like white bread. I went ahead and cut off any of the crust around the bread. You do not want that one, so please make sure you take off that one as well. After, divide it into smaller pieces. This recipe turned out so delicious. It's very easy to make, and trust me, your kids are going to love it. Especially I made it in the ice cream shape or in the ice cream form for the kids to just pick one and then enjoy it. This is what you're looking for. So let's move back to the chicken breast. To it, I added in chili powder, just a little bit. I added in vegetable seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and the last ingredient that I'll be adding was salt. Stir it and make sure it's well combined and keep it aside. To my food processor, I added in the bread and then I let it work until it formed a breadcrumbs consistency. After, I added in the chicken breast and then make sure I turn it on and then let it grind until it was almost smooth. You do not want it that perfect smooth. It should be smooth. You should feel the smoothness, but not that smooth. You do not want any chunks of chicken breast in it. That's why I cut mine into smaller tiny pieces or into smaller cubes. So this is what you're looking for. To mold it, brush your palm with a little bit of oil, scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then flatten it on your palm as demonstrated in the video. Insert the stick in it and then mold it as demonstrated in the video. So that's what you're looking for. You can shape it any size, like anyhow you want it. Just do it. So it should be something like this. And then first thing what you have to do is to dip it in the egg wash. After the egg wash, put it in the breadcrumbs and then repeat the same process. So basically that's it. You can make this, put it in the Ziploc bag and then freeze it until you are ready to be used. Like it can stay in the freezer from 3 to 6 months. This is very easy. You can make it ahead of time. All you have to do is preheat your oil and fry this bad boy. So that's it. Basically that's it, guys. When you get to this point, you are ready and these bad boys are ready to be fried. So like this, you can keep it in the freezer from 3 to 6 months. After, go ahead and preheat your oil and fry these bad boys. Basically, that's all you have to do, and trust me, it's delicious. Your kids are going to fall in love with this recipe. It's amazing, it's beautiful, not just beautiful but delicious as well. It has the steak in it, so all you have to do is bring 1 steak of the chicken nuggets and then dip it in your sauce and eat this amazing snack. It's delicious. So stay close to it and make sure you turn your fire on medium-low. Let it cook slowly until it is done. This is beautiful, guys. Try this and let me know how it turned out in the comment section, and let me know if you love it in the comment section. Just look at this, guys. This is beautiful. When you get to this point, it is ready. Remove it and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? Try it. Please try it. You don't know what you're missing. Please try it and let me know how it turned out. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Adios.